Every time you type a website like google.com, your computer turns into a number. But how does it happen instantly? Every device on the network has a unique identity, not an IP address, something deeper. It's called a MAC address. And without it, devices wouldn't even know where to send data. Part 1. What is a MAC address? A MAC address is a unique identifier assigned to a device's network interface. Think of it as a serial number for your device's network card. It is usually written like this: 00:1A:2B:3C:4D:5E. Every device, laptop, phone, router has one. The MAC address is built into something called a network interface card, or NIC. That can be your Wi-Fi adapter, your Ethernet port. So, no network card is no MAC address. No MAC address is no communication. This is where it gets really important. A MAC address is permanent, belongs to the device. An IP address can change, belongs to the network. Think of it like this: MAC address is your identity. IP address is your location. When data is sent, IP says where to go. MAC says who exactly receives it. Inside the local network, like your home Wi-Fi, devices don't use IP addresses directly. They use MAC addresses. Example, your laptop sends data, the router checks, then sends it to the correct device using its MAC address. This is how devices find each other locally. Imagine your home, phone, laptop, smart TV, all connected to the same router. They might change IP addresses over time, but the MAC address stays the same. So the network always knows exactly which device is which. MAC addresses are essential for switching network traffic inside LAN, device identification, basic network security. Without MAC addresses, your network would be chaos. So remember, IP address is location, MAC address is identity. In the next video, we'll go deeper into how devices actually find each other using DNS. Every time you type a website like google.com, something happens in the background. In milliseconds, your device has no idea what google.com means. It needs a number. So how does it find it instantly? That system is called DNS. Computers don't understand names. They only understand IP addresses. For example, 142.250.74.14. So without DNS, you would have to remember numbers for every website. That's clearly not practical. DNS stands for Domain Name System. It translates names into IP addresses. Think of it like the phone book of the internet. You type a name, DNS finds the correct number. Let's say you type google.com. Here's what happens. Your device asks, do I know this already? Cache. If not, it asks a DNS server. That server may ask other servers. Eventually, the correct IP address is found. Your device connects to that IP. All of this happens in milliseconds. At home, your laptop connects to your router. Your router forwards DNS requests, often to your ISP's DNS server. So every time you open a website, DNS is working silently in the background. DNS is essential for browsing the web, loading websites fast, internet usability. Without DNS, the internet would be extremely difficult to use. So remember, DNS is translating names into IP addresses. In the next video, we'll look at how data actually travels across the internet, step by step.